Hello everyone, I'm Jack and today I will be showing you how to make a how-to video. Step 1. Think of an idea of something you want to teach people. For example, how to bake a cake or how to make a how-to video. Step 2. Make a script. This way you can record based on something you have written down rather than something you've just made up on the fly. Step 3. Grab a camera and a microphone and record a voiceover or some dialogue to help people understand what to do. Step 4. Record yourself or someone else doing the thing you are teaching step by step, preferably in order. Step 5. Compile all that footage you just took and use whatever editing software you are most comfortable with to put it in the proper order, in correspondence with the voiceover or dialogue. Step 6. Add text on screen that explains what is happening, just in case people aren't listening. Step 7. Add some music to your liking, preferably with no lyrics so it doesn't conflict with your voiceover. Step 8. Export. And you're done! Thanks for watching, hope you learned something, and goodbye!